Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you through how to set up the daily Calm Reflection Reminder in the Calm app. This feature helps you stay consistent with your mindfulness practice by sending you a daily notification at a time that suits you. Whether you are new to the app, first, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon to open your account page. Then, in the top left corner, tap on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various features of the app. Then, scroll down through the Settings options until you find the Notifications section. Tap on Notifications to open the Notification settings. After you open Notifications, look for the Daily Calm Reflection section and tap on it. Now you can choose the time you want to receive the reminder by clicking on the Time option. Use the time picker to select your preferred reminder time, and then confirm by clicking OK. Next, decide which days you would like to receive the reminder. By default, all days will be selected. If you do not want reminders on certain days, simply uncheck those days from the list. Make sure the toggle for Get Reminder is switched on so you will actually receive the notification. Finally, after adjusting the time and days, click on Set Reminder to save your preferences. From now on, you will get a daily notification, reminding you to complete your calm reflection at the time you chose. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful app tutorials.